First, choose the serum you will be infusing into the skin. Next, add 3 pumps of it to your HydroWand and insert the flow indicator in either smooth or diamond tip to the plastic HydroWand cylinder. For the HydroWand infusion, you will just do 1 pass over the entire face. Begin at the midline of the face, right at the hairline. Work your way out to the temple using short, feather-like strokes. Continue making these passes without overlapping them until you get to the bottom of Zone 1. Next, work on Zone 2. Start between the eyebrows and work your way down the nose with short, horizontal strokes. From here, move on to Zone 3. Start at the temples and make short, feather-like horizontal strokes, moving your way down the cheeks. Finally, work in Zone 4. Start at the upper lip and make short, feather-like horizontal strokes, working your way down to the chin. Repeat this process on the other side of the face.